Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your KilgourMD treatment subscription. So if you have taken any subscription on this platform, so how you can cancel. So I want to tell you the cancellation of subscription on this platform is like very easy. And when you place your order by mistake, you have selected like subscribe and you have purchased product, and you can see over here like they have some subscription plans like subscribe and purchase plan. Then you have to pay some fees. You can say like in the form of you can select subscription, or you can select auto delivery. Okay, so but you can cancel your subscription by using three ways. The first one is like via online. So if you want to cancel your subscription, then the link is in your order confirmation email. When you place your order confirmation email is in your inbox, and in the email you have a link. You can cancel your subscription very easily by using that one email. Okay, this is the first method. And if we talk about like the second method, that is like via contact with the customer support team. So you can see this is the information on Trustpilot, and when you visit on Trustpilot, you will see there is a reply like if you want to cancel your subscription, so how you can cancel. So basically you can see over here, I want to show you something. You can see like very difficult to cancel. If you have to cancel the subscription, it's a very difficult, but they have replied like if you want to cancel your subscription, then you can call at their customer support team on this number, and you can get help related to subscription and all. Or you can also send an email at hello@kilgourmd.com, and the email format, you can see this is the email format, but in the email you need to provide each and everything related to your subscription. And once you confirm each and everything, and you need to ask a proof of cancellation in the email, and you need to send this email at this email address like hello@kilgourmd.com. okay, so these are the informations by which you can cancel your subscription of KilgourMD treatment. So if you are facing any issue still, then you can make a comment. I will reply very soon. And thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to ask a proof of cancellation. Okay, so that's it. So bye bye.